can we be a serious YouTuber for once?
This YouTube life is stressing me out.
You know how some YouTubers, they get very serious, they take a bath, they put themselves together, they put makeup on to be in front of the camera. Me and you, however.
Look at this hair. I can't believe I went to work like this today. Because we're welcoming you guys in our house. This is how we are. We're not perfect, okay? We're just like this. Very oily, very greasy, very dirty.
I'm Dalagang Pilipina.
Hey guys, it's Fabio here and this is my boyfriend Yani and we're back with another video. I'm saving time with the editing by doing
Yes,
right away. So in today, what are we doing? I don't even know. Why do you leave me clueless? Then they think I'm an idiot.
You are an idiot. We're doing the national costume.
Right. So today we're gonna be reacting to the national costumes of Pilipinas 2019.
I like how you say it.
Is it 2019?
Binibining Pilipinas. So, the Binibining Pilipinas people had a photo shoot today.
Oh.
Or I don't know if it's today, but it was uploaded on Facebook today, documenting all this journey again for Binibining Pilipinas 2019. And we're gonna tell you all the insiders and what we think about what's happening with the competition. So far they did their national costume.
I'm excited to see that because they get very creative and we know Catriona Gray what she pulled up last year for Miss Universe. I know it was different.
And
I know.
Keep in mind, this is Philippines only, right? Binibining Pilipinas.
Exactly.
Meaning they're gonna feature all different cultures in my country.
Exactly. That's what I'm curious about because Catriona was saying that there's three main region: the north, the middle, and
wow, you remember? Fuck.
I remember I studied my culture. I really am curious to see what creativity they're gonna put together and what costumes there are.
Wow.
Are there gonna be lights? Are there gonna be fireworks?
Lights, camera.
Are there gonna be murdered
action.
people?
We don't know because this is just photos.
Perfect.
And each tribe in the Philippines has their own culture and their own texture and their own colors.
I like the one with the very geometric like geometric lines.
Like Captain Marvel.
Like Aquaman.
Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
I want to let you know guys that please support us because we need to pay rent somehow here in Toronto. So please share this video with your friends and family and comment
Tell them
below.
to subscribe.
Let YouTube know that you like us, otherwise we're screwed.
Anyway, here we go. So the photographer is Raymond Saldana. Okay, first photo. So this one is Jessica Marasiga.
Oh my god. You know, she looks like the Hunger Games.
No, the dress looks to me like an armadillo.
It is! Oh my god.
Yeah, the scales are like snake.
The scales of an armadillo.
Oh god.
Wait, does she have fake lips? Because this is very big. It's a beautiful, beautiful dress. I like the silhouette. It really showcases her body. It looks like palm trees.
I was gonna say, it's like they put her in like the fields of corn.
Yeah.
In like...
Beautiful.
Next photo. Ooh. Pangasinan.
She's the Pope.
Daniel Magno. She looks like Santo Niño. Do you know who Santo Niño is?
No, I have no idea who that is. To me, it looks like the Pope. Like this top part of the dress.
Yeah.
And then the bottom, I'm not a huge fan.
I'm not a huge fan either.
I understand it's kind of like a religious theme, but I'm not a huge fan of that.
To me, I'm not a huge fan either because to me, there's like a disconnect between the bottom and the top.
Yeah, exactly. That's bothering me a little
Like
bit.
if you cover the bottom, like the waist down, if you cover it, it's a perfect...
The perfect top.
It's perfect top. Yes. Anyway, I like the color and I like that they put different backgrounds. This one, she's in the rice fields.
Yeah.
Not the corn. Anyway. Ooh.
Libra.
Wait, Muntinlupa. Wait, hold on. You guys know everything about Philippines. I'm the worst Filipino. But comment below what type of Filipino culture this is. Because to me, this is looking like Hunger Games, Game of Thrones, Harry Potter.
Wow, this is like... That sword is beautiful.
What culture is this? Well, maybe this is during the Katipuneros where we fought the Spaniards, maybe, with the sword and justice. So that balanced beam is like justice to me. I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, that's beautiful. I like the contrast of the dress, the color of the dress, and the sword and the Libra.
This reminds me of Alphaba. Tell them how I Ooh,
Very nice, this one.
I feel like almost wanna be Catriona Gray a little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Yes. Oh, I like the makeup.
The headpiece is gorgeous. It looks like a dried flower, the headpiece. The dress is beautiful because the red is my favorite color, you know, guys, that.
Yeah,
I don't think I like the silhouette that much.
To me, it also reminds me of like a Chinese.
A little bit of Chinese,
dress.
yeah.
Right?
And this long sleeve, I don't know. There's
You don't like
something that I'm not a fan of.
For national costume, I don't think so. It's called costume for a reason, so it should be campy. So this is like a best example for dresses that you could wear at Met Gala this year, because that's the theme, camp. Oh,
Wow.
This was my favorite so far. Do you remember who's our favorite girl from the first photo shoot?
I don't remember. I forgot her name.
I forgot their names too.
But this, I know what it's showcasing.
What is?
It's showcasing the pearls that are very famous.
Wow, Fabio, this is Fabio talking.
Guys,
Wow.
I know my history. I know very well your country.
You mean my history?
I mean, yes, your history.
You're not Filipino yet.
But this is great.
Perlas.
I think it's actually the perfect national costume. It's
I
very,
think so
very
too.
nice.
Because pearls, the sentence is called Perlas ng Silanganan, meaning the pearls of the East. So that's what our island called. It's in our national anthem, and it's what our island is called too.
Wow. I just wished that the dress was like in blue tones, because that would have reminded the ocean.
No, I kind of like it champagne like that.
I don't.
I just wish that they steamed the fabric more, because look how it's a little bit wrinkly.
No, come
but
on.
I feel like we're just picking nitty gritty. But this is the headpiece. Look at the headpiece.
The headpiece is gorgeous.
Oh, look at it's coral reef with pearls.
Yep.
Ooh.
Oh, I really like this one.
Davao
But
del Sur.
this kind of reminds me a little bit of Korean.
Korean?
Or what is Vietnamese?
You're probably
What is
thinking
this?
Thai.
Thai.
Like I said, there's many different culture. The fan is always a staple in my culture too, for costumes and like cultural affairs. I don't know what that is, but
The fan I really, really like. I have to say it showcases everything. It puts all the pieces together. And also the drape that she has in her hand.
I just wish there's like a story of like where the culture is inspired by. Oh,
Very nice. She looks like a warrior here.
The fan really stood out with the color. It contrasts the dress.
Very gold.
Province of Rizal. Honey Grace Cartasano.
Honey Grace, I already remember her.
You remember her?
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, this dress looks heavy.
The dress has definitely so much detail involved.
Yeah, look at the detail, the embroidery, the stones.
Look at the neck here.
I like that piece.
That is so beautiful. And the shoulders. So this, I can tell, like, I look at it and I'm like, Filipino, yeah.
Filipino with a fan and the shoulder. That's always the Filipino. This one's cute, but maybe a little bit too busy for me, but I like it. I like the pearls so far.
The pearl is my favorite. The first one and the pearl.
Wow. This is my new favorite.
Ouch.
This is my new favorite.
This definitely. Oh wow, look, this has pearls too. It's all
this
pearls.
Is pearls too. She has like what do you call that? Staff? What do you call that? There's a word for that.
Yeah, and I don't know it in
I
English.
forgot the name of it. But anyway, that's so nice.
Beautiful. I really love the color. She looks like a pearl.
Imagine if somebody wear this for a wedding.
Oh my god. It would be perfect.
The headpiece is just the right amount. It's not too heavy. It's not too big. It's just perfect.
So, for example, if she had the other girl's headpiece, it would have been my very favorite dress.
No, because look at the neckline. She has that neckline already too.
Okay, yeah, maybe you're right.
Because it would be too campy and too much already. But this one I like. It's all white.
I love it.
Like our bedroom. Do you notice?
I love this one.
Wow. Oh my god, first impression, sorry. First impression right away, I think of like it's one of the Filipinas that are living in the olden days, the culture that we had, like when they were farming and everything. That's just what I had.
To me, this has a lot of Spanish influence.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to say.
Is the hair, is the skirt, how it's cut. It's that fan with
The
feathers.
fan, yeah. So
I
this is
love
probably, yeah, it's cute.
It's very different. Oh,
Wow, this is definitely warrior.
this is warrior.
Marikina, Marian Marquez. Wait, is she one of our favorite? I can't remember. But this is definitely warrior. This reminds me of Catriona Gray.
Yeah, it's true, because she came out with a sort of silhouette like
yeah,
that.
the suit
Suit.
with the beads too, and
With all the beads.
embroidery.
And all those tattoos, see?
Yeah,
Yeah.
My favorite is the white one and the pearls.
The white one and the pearls, okay, mine, yeah, those are my
My
two
white
favorite.
ones and the pearl.
Yeah.
But I like this one because it's different from everyone
Mm-hmm.
else. Everyone else wearing gown and poofy sleeves.
Yeah,
But
this
one's
is
nice.
different. It shows a lot of strength.
Yes, you're right. Women
And-
empowerment, feminism.
And you need to be very brave to wear something like this, because
Why?
you know that Miss Universe or Miss Philippines, anyways, they want to showcase femininity. Femininity?
Femininity.
Femininity.
Femininity. Feminine.
Anyways, whatever
Anyway,
it is.
yes.
So everyone's gonna pull amazing gowns, and she came out with a bodysuit.
Warrior. Yes.
Warrior.
You're right. You're right. Wow, bitch. Bitch.
Oh, this is my new favorite. I'm sorry.
Pulangi Albay. Sherry Ann Tormes. Oh my gosh.
She is a flower. Just like,
Wait, I can't stop looking at it. Let's zoom in. Oh my gosh, she is a flower. Wow.
but
Wow. Just wow. It took my breath away.
so, wow, the color is stunning. The shape, the silhouette is
Yes.
stunning. But wait, it may be my favorite costume, but it's a national costume.
I was
What
just thinking
flower
that.
is that?
I was just thinking that wait, maybe it's no, not orchid. Gomamela, maybe? I don't know.
Let us know, guys, because
Comment down below what
if this is not a typical flower that grows in the fields of Philippines, then I will not vote it as my favorite. But otherwise, it is
but
my very
she
favorite.
looks beautiful.
The photographer here
It's
just
amazing.
captured-
By the way, it's amazing because the way he positioned her against that brown wall, the blue really popped. Oh my god! And blue's my favorite color, you guys. If you're giving me gifts,
this is
blue's my
actually
favorite color.
this is actually purple.
Oh, is it purple? Anyway, wow! There's another warrior.
Wow, this is
Oh, but
The
she's
face.
pretty.
Yeah.
She's serving us face.
this reminds me of a showgirl, very showgirl.
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas with this big headpiece.
But she's serving us face. Look at that
She really
face.
is.
I'm full already. I don't need to eat dinner anymore because she's serving us face.
She's serving us face and a very well shaved armpit.
Well, maybe there's Photoshop.
No, I'm sure she shaved it well.
I love the textiles. Filipinos have the best textiles.
It's beautiful. It's not my favorite, and I think here it's too busy. Everything is too busy.
You think it's too busy? I just like the face. But my favorite now is the purple, the white dress, and the pearl.
Yeah, I
It's,
agree
you
with
can
you.
always tell which ones will stand out from the crowd. Oh, there's another warrior.
Beautiful. This one. Beautiful colors for this warrior.
There's another warrior. Okay, I like this one.
So much detail.
So much detail.
I think in this one she was brave to cover up her hair, because here you don't see her hair.
Well, in the competition, that's like getting ready would only be makeup, no hair.
Oh my gosh, that's
Saves
true.
time. It
Maybe
saves
she was
time.
even doing a hair mask underneath.
Maybe, exactly.
She's like, I'm gonna save time.
Exactly.
Oh,
I like it. I like the color. It's even though there's a lot of details, to me it doesn't look busy.
No, it doesn't look
It
busy.
doesn't. It's weird. Yeah, it's like organized.
And perfect, that fabric that is flowing in the background.
Yes.
Perfect.
The photographer did amazing. Shout out to you, whoever you are.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the queen.
The queen has arrived.
The queen of the Philippines.
The queen of the palm trees. Look at that.
Okay, I don't like that neckline too much.
I love it.
I feel like it's pretty, but to me, I feel like in some ways that should be flipped around and it should be coming out from the back. You like it the front?
Absolutely. Yeah. From the back,
It's so
there's
pretty.
already
I still
that
like
huge
it.
headpiece. You cannot flip it.
Oh my god.
No,
Who
that's
is this
beautiful.
one? Loren May Bautista. I don't remember which one's our favorite, but this one's, and I don't usually like pink, and this one's nice.
Gold and pink together are amazing combination.
Yes, she has like a staff again. Oh, this one's nice too. Okay, purple, white, this one, and the pearl.
Purple, white, this one. Yeah, I will put them exactly
Purple,
in the same
white,
order.
pink, pearl. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh!
Cute. Very
This one's-
Spanish, this one. That
Well,
skirt.
we were colonized 300 plus years by Spaniards, so what
I
do you
know.
expect?
Yeah,
So,
it's not a critique. It's just
yes.
an observation.
But this one, to me, is like fashion. It's not costume. It's like
Yeah.
couture. It's fashion.
Yeah,
High fashion.
If you follow RuPaul Drag Race, she reminds me of Valentina.
Valentina! Oh my
Totally
gosh!
does.
Fun fact, Nadine Lustre watches RuPaul's Drag Race. I saw
Oh.
her story before. So this one is very nice.
Very beautiful
Oh, look
silhouette.
at that dark blue.
It's like a peacock feather wrapped around.
And look at
It's
the
beautiful.
silhouette. You're right. It's like the fabric, the way they manipulated the fabric. It's so.
Mm-hmm.
And the arm is a little bit different. It still has that poofy,
Yeah.
but it's like they added like a warrior feel to it. Maybe
Mm-hmm.
the dress reminds me of like an ocean, a water flowing. Kind
Yeah.
of thing.
To me, it
Huh.
reminds me of a feather.
I like this dress, but
Nice.
we're talking costume here though, so it has to be
We're talking
campy.
costume.
It has to be extravagant.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful.
The only thing, I don't love the contrast with the background because it melts into it. It doesn't give me like a big contrast.
Well, you were just talking about photography now. We're talking about the dresses, Fabio.
I'm talking about everything.
Oh,
This is my channel.
wow.
I talk about what
Look at her.
This is Beyonce in
What was that? Grammys.
yeah, in the Grammys. Totally.
Oh, this might be one of my tops now.
Really? Not mine. Not
This
mine.
one is my top. The previous one is my top, and this one is my top as well. I just like it white and gold. I like it.
White and gold is always beautiful.
Yes.
But I'm not a big fan of this one.
Anyways. Oh, this one's a warrior. This is like the Captain America of the Philippines.
Wow.
Okay, so this is
Ay,
costume.
ay, ay.
If you're talking about costume, this is costume. The other ones are like fashion gown. It could be an evening gown, the other ones, but this one is costume.
Unfortunately, I do have a critique for this one.
What is it?
Which I'm sure watching it live, it has an amazing different feeling. But to me, this is a little bit of I went to a store and I just bought a warrior costume and I put it on.
For Halloween.
Yeah. And it's sad because I'm
But-
sure that this is amazing and it took so much
So
work.
much time. But the shield is multi-purpose because you can use it as a hat and a mirror.
That's true. She
Yeah.
can always check her makeup.
Yes. Anyway. Oh, this is a costume. Oh, I remember Hannah Arnold. She's one of my tops from the previous one. Okay, this is a costume.
Oh my god.
This represents the Filipino culture, and this really is a costume for pageants.
I'm in love with this middle section here because it makes her silhouette goes
Yes.
like.
You know what these gold things that's on her head? Those are pots, like clay pots that
Oh.
native Filipinos used to pitch water, cook in, and everything, and they travel with the pots like on the head, like you see in
Like
other cultures,
Africa.
like Africa, India,
wow.
Thailand. Yeah, so
I love this costume.
I love the color, I love the embroidery, I love the amount of glitter in it, I love the gold touch because it was like it's dark dress.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Damn, I
love this
really
one.
wish the background was different because it doesn't pop. But I put it in my tops.
I think so too.
So
Yeah.
I think I have the flower, then I have the pearl,
Oh, you like the flower, eh?
the purple
Yeah.
flower, the pearl, then I have her,
Yeah.
then I have the other pearl, the black one,
Yes.
and then that's it.
Yes. Wow! Oh my gosh!
She came through. She's a rock
Oh
star.
my gosh! She did not come to play.
Oh
Wow!
my. Yeah, because you love guitars.
We do love guitars. We love music in my country.
Un poco
Un poco loco. Oh my god! This one's very good. This is a costume.
So creative.
This represents the culture. This is a costume, and it's very campy. It's a very extravagant.
Oh my! In terms of creativity, this
This
is the
this
top.
wins. Oh my gosh! This
Good
is
for you, Eileen de Vera
Oh my god. Okay.
or Elene.
Okay, this is my top now. I don't remember which ones, but this is one of my tops. Oh, we got another
Nice.
warrior. You probably think that Filipinos are so violent because we have all these warrior representations. But we're not warrior. We're not violent people. We're actually far from that. But this one's very nice.
Very nice. A bit too simple compared to other
Yes,
costumes.
that we've
so A bit more effort in this, but
Yeah, it's cute.
it's cute.
Wow.
So this is a good costume.
Okay, but I can say right away that there's a little bit of a disconnect from the bottom to the top. Like they're from two different dresses.
Unfortunately, you're right.
But this is very nice.
Can we talk about the headpiece? Look at that. Look at all the shells.
I didn't even notice that. Oh my god.
That's the first thing I noticed. So it's the... I think I know what it represents. It's
the ocean.
It's the ocean, and this is the shore with all the shells.
Okay, I see you. So this
that's
the
why
bottom
there's
part
a bit
is
of
the
a
deep sea.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why it goes into... Yeah, she should have blended a little bit more towards the top, but I mean, waves, they create a line, so...
I guess you're right.
I guess
I guess
it makes sense.
Oh my god, you're such an artist. Wow.
Oh, no, it's the wine.
It's the wine. He's drunk. Next.
Oh my god, I'm getting
Wow.
Wow.
I don't know anymore which one's my tops because there's a lot of them now.
I think I'm in love with this one.
I'm in love with this one.
I'm going to eliminate, unfortunately, a few of the previous one. So I'm gonna keep the guitar. I'm gonna keep the flower.
I think the guitar is gonna win best costume because it's different.
Yeah,
she's not going conventional like the other girls, like the poofy dress and everything. This one's very nice.
This is coming on my top though.
It's nice
well.
though. Yes, it's nice. Next one. Wow. Okay. Pictures after pictures after pictures. But they just impress
us. Philippines, you came through.
They just impress us. Oh my god, there's a lot. Okay. Let's talk about it. It's just a poofy dress again, but the way it's made, it's nice.
It's so different. It's like she's the point of an umbrella.
Oh, I think I know where this one is from. Inspired by, it's like copies that we have a town
called...
called...
palm tree.
No, bitch. Copies shells. We use it to make all the lanterns. We shave off the shells and we use it to put in our window.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I think this is made out of vegetables.
No, they're not vegetables. They're knitted leaves.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Nipa. I don't know what it's called. But this one, I don't know what... Copy shells. I don't know what they are.
I don't know. It's very nice.
It's very nice.
It didn't make my top. Just because now that I said umbrella, I keep picturing her being the tip of the umbrella.
You know what? You could take the bottom part and it could be a party dress.
That's true.
Mini skirt.
Or a ballet dress.
A ballet or tutu. A tutu. Cute. Next. Wow. Ooh. Okay, I'm done. Every single photo now from this point, they're so good.
I need more wine. I'm sorry.
We'll be right back after a few advertisements. And we're back. Okay, so this one is different too. I feel like it has the touch of the warrior feel again. I like the bottom part.
Again, it's the
gold, like a basket type of material. I like the embroidery, the beading, almost like a Catriona gray. Oh my god, this is very good.
It's very good. It's very, very good.
It's very good. Next.
I wonder what materials. I'm curious about the...
Yeah.
I think they really got a lot of inspiration from Catriona, all of them, because
I would say so. This has been used many times
that what
before.
It is? Oh, okay.
It's like our culture is like many girls I'm sure have used it. But next one, oh my god, this reminds me of Beyonce Lemonade.
Very nice. I
like the mustard color. Oh, I know what she was representing here. The Muslim culture of my country.
Oh, is there Muslim?
Yeah, we have Muslim and Christians. So some girls are wearing hijab because they're Muslims. Yeah, right?
I didn't know.
Yeah, it's predominantly Christians, but there are still Muslim people in my country, which is very nice. So I like that she's representing that. Yeah, it's very nice. Nice costume too.
Yeah, the costume is very nice. I don't put it in my top, but it's beautifully made.
The cape adds drama. Yeah. Anyway.
The only thing is that I see nice in the picture, but on the runway, did it look nice?
What do you mean? I don't know. I've never seen the runway.
I don't know.
It's all pictures. Next. Ooh. Oh, the same silhouette as the other one.
She looks like a princess.
Oh, but this one's nicer.
Oh, wow.
This one's nicer. White and gold.
It looks like... This reminds me of the historical decoration that we have in palaces in Italy
Okay.
on the ceilings,
The gold
where you have
ones.
all the gold leaves and flowers
Okay.
and all these beautiful things.
But look how pretty she is too, though.
Yeah,
Very nice. This one's
very
my
nice.
top too.
Emma.
Oh my god, there's a lot of my top. All of them are my tops now.
There are so many.
Wow, bitch!
Guys, are we kidding here? Like, seriously.
Bitch!
They killed a full farm of chickens for this one.
No chicken were harmed in making of this video. My gosh!
Oh my god.
The details! You know what? I feel like this is a lot of pieces put together in one. So the very base one is like the bodysuit. As you can see, she has like a skin type texture. And then she has two fans. Oh my god, the fans though.
The fans
You're
are
right, these are chicken.
insane.
Oh, you know why chicken is part of our culture? Because, not like we like fried chicken, but in my culture, we actually take two roosters and we make them fight each other. Because two roosters
Why?
always fight.
Why do you make them do that?
It's like a sport. Like you raise this rooster to fight.
What kind of sport is that?
I know, right? It's like all the animalistic animal
I think it's a bit
awareness and stuff.
I think
But-
it's a bit ridiculous, but part of the culture.
Part of the culture.
Whatever.
I'm done. My gosh.
My Majesty.
My
Wow.
gosh, this is so good. So obviously she's representing like the Catholicism in my country. It's very big.
It's
Religion.
very big.
Oh my gosh.
Not my favorite. Actually, if you
I
look
actually
at
like
it,
it.
no, because actually, if you look at it, it is fairly basic compared to others, but it's just details of colors that
Small details
small
make
details,
difference.
guys. Small
Yes.
details.
Yes, you're right. My gosh.
Wow.
Wow, all of these are so beautiful.
So we started like every single one. We're like, wow.
Okay, wow. Now it's like I'm done.
I'm lost in which one is my favorite.
I don't even know how many more we have to see, but oh my gosh.
my.
This reminds me of the oceans too, I guess. I don't know, or flowers. Oh my gosh, whoever made this dress, I bet you most of the designers are gay.
I like the fan. The fact that the fan is softer this time. Soft
Feather
feathers.
duster.
Oh,
She could use the fan to clean the house.
She'll be like-
dust off the feathers.
I may not win the crown, but my house is clean.
It's clean, bitch. Bitch, it's clean. Wow. This is like touch of the warrior again, or like the
Yeah.
native Filipina, but the colors are marrying together like
And look how flowy it is, the top.
the top one.
Wow.
Rooster.
A rooster? Oh, that's
See?
a rooster.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
I like it, but I'm not in love with it.
Silhouette is basic, but look at the embroidery and the color.
And
That's what makes
embroidery
it
is
different.
insane.
Oh my gosh,
Must
you
be so
guys!
heavy.
Can you comment below how much these are? If you guys are watching us right now, comment below how much these are.
No, but you have no idea
The work.
how much fee they had to pay to fly overweight
Yes.
all the time. Because the luggage was always like 50
Overweight.
pounds.
No, there's another whole luggage for a costume. They can't fold this in. Anyway. Oh wow. The shield adds drama, definitely.
Costume, a bit basic.
It's a bit basic. No,
It's actually a print.
it's just a print. There's no embroidery. But I guess
And it bunched up a little bit under the armpit. I don't like
we're
it.
picking up small details now because others, oh my god, the details
It's
from the
too
others.
high. The bar.
The bar has been set high,
Is-
but this is cute as well. I get that there's no detail or like embroidery or beading because I feel like in some cultures in the past, in our history, there were tattoos also, or maybe it's still today that people
Maybe
do
that's
tattoos.
what she's showcasing.
Yeah,
the
she's showcasing the
Because it's a
tattoos.
skin color dress.
Yeah, like Catriona explained that in her video for the costume, like there were tattoos in the country.
The only thing I don't like is that the way it's sewn together, you can see the line of where they're sewed the costume.
You're
and I
very
do not
picking
like
up
it.
small details now.
Yeah.
Anyway, next one. Oh, first time that somebody's showing a stomach for a national costume so far. This one's representing the rooster again, I guess.
I think so. I'm not a big fan of this one.
Yeah, it's not the headpiece and the feathers add drama, but if you remove those, it's just
a bra,
bra
with
and
a
panty.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, no.
but it's cute. Bitch.
Peacock. Damn.
Girls, okay, this I really need to ask you how much you paid for these costumes, cause oh my gosh.
That is amazing.
I think I remember her dumaging. I think she's
Try
one
to
of our
zoom in.
favorites.
Oh, it's embroidered.
Look at the
Oh, wow.
face.
Jules.
Wait, but how did she keep it up like that? Oh my
We don't know.
gosh.
Probably there was someone else behind it, like this. Oh.
Yeah, we're probably gonna say that the dress is basic, but I like it because the drama is all in the feathers.
But wait, is the peacock part of your Filipino culture? Is it an animal that is very popular?
I've never seen peacock in my town, but I'm sure in some
Eliminator!
I'm sure in the zoos we have peacock. Wow, next one.
Wow.
Okay, she's showcasing Oreos here.
Oh,
she's
yeah,
showcasing Cheerios. She's showcasing Cheerios cereal here.
I know you guys are big on those because Yani loves them.
I love Cheerios, and we're showcasing donut.
And she had them on her fingers, but then she ate them before the photo
Stupid.
shoot.
Cheese rings. These are cheese rings.
She's, yeah.
My gosh. Wow. There's a lot of good ones. And I'm sorry for the judges. It's really going to boil down to how they answer the question and how they walk in,
Yeah.
because there's a lot of good ones. This one's very nice as well.
How the hell are the judges gonna pick? Because those
I
are
don't know.
beautiful. They should all.
I don't know. Wow.
Wow.
I think this is the best warrior costume so far.
Really?
I think
I'm not
for
sure.
me.
I'm not sure.
Look at she showcased the tattoos of the warrior. The headpiece is very nice. You have the shield, which is embroidered as well. I like it. Next. Wow.
Napoleon.
Oh my gosh. No, actually, this is a very famous picture in our history. I feel like this reminds me right away in my history book when the Spaniards colonized us for 300 years, and the year that the Filipinos actually have had enough. This was one of the famous
Really?
photo that the Filipinos fought back to the Katipuneros, to the Spaniards.
This is amazing. Actually, it's beautiful. And this is funny that you said that because when I said Napoleon, it's like obviously someone that colonized.
Colonized, yes. I feel like this is like the modern warrior. Those warrior costume that we've seen in the past, those were like the native warriors. These are
is
the
the
modern, the colonization fight of freedom. Okay, I applaud her for
Beautiful.
that. She's smart. I
Very
like it.
smart.
I
Very
like
bold
it.
decision.
Very bold. Yes, I like it. But this one though.
Ouch. This reminds me a little bit of a Greek.
No, right away I think of like eagle.
Why are eagles?
Eagles are big in my country. Yeah, we call it. They're very big.
I didn't know.
Yeah, in my culture, in my history books, eagles are a very big symbol.
Did they colonize you as well?
Yeah, they colonized my backyard as well.
Is that why sometimes you're like...
I'm scared of birds, yeah. But this one's very nice. It reminds me of like a costume from a hero movie for the Philippines. Like, you know, those Amihan or something. Anyway, it's cute. Oh, she's gold.
Gold. But again, this hand position is a bit of a
Tie.
Oh,
Oh,
the fingers
The
though.
fingers, they don't fit that much.
No, not very well fitted.
Come on, but it's a whole bodysuit, so her fingers probably lost weight. We don't know. It's cute though.
I don't like it. I'm sorry. That's probably the only one that I don't like.
Next. Wow, this
Again,
one's nice too.
Sort of like Arabic.
Well, Filipino is mixed with a lot of the other cultures, so that's why.
Oh my god, how many do we have?
Oh, that's the
I'm
last
so tired.
one. That's the last one.
Wow. Beautiful.
Okay.
Beautiful.
What do you think?
Oh my gosh. I honestly, I didn't think it would. I knew it was going to be creative, but it exceeded my expectation, not of just a little bit, but of a whole lot.
Yeah, it's crazy. People are going on board. So I don't think if they will show this on this coronation night, the costumes, because I think the costume competition happened already. It's like Miss Universe. So I'm excited for the coronation night. Who's gonna win? We should have kept track of our favorite.
I know, because we keep switching
I
around
know.
and I kind of lost it. I don't know.
I know. Anyway, we're gonna do another reaction for the coronation night. Comment down below if you would like to do that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And comment below which one's your favorite contestant so far for this year. We would like to hear it.
Yes. Congratulations, Philippines, for your beautiful talents.
Thank you.
You,
Thank
in fact, you emigrated away from Philippines.
Thank you.
No, you came to Canada because
I got deported.
you were like, he's not talented.
They didn't
let's
want to accept
throw
me.
him up.
They didn't want to accept me in my country. 'Cause I'm
Back
not
to the
talented.
colonizers.
Back to the white people. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all next time.
Bye, guys.